Hello guys, this is my review of the Rev Industries Hard folding cover. As you can see, I am very pleased of how it turned out. It is very flush to the truck bed. One good thing about these hard folding covers is that it doesn't lie right on top of the tailgate. There's actually bed rails that it lies inside of, so it doesn't damage anything. So we'll go ahead and open up the tailgate and see how it works. So it has these cable release on both sides of the cover. It's very easy. So cable pull and lift. Very lightweight. Cable pull and lift. So you can fit, say if you wanted to fit a refrigerator back there, it can fit. Now if you wanted to lock this in place, it has straps right here, just clips. Go ahead and clip that right there, make sure it's tight, and it has one on the other side. Now let's say that you actually wanted to use the full length of the bed. Just unclip this, just put it right back, and let's go ahead and put the cable and lift it towards the cab, so it should look just like that. Now let's say you wanted to drive down the highway with this. Now if you want to go highway speeds, there's some rails that you can pull out right here. Let's go ahead and loosen this up right here. Alright, let's be able to loosen up and go ahead and tighten up the knob. Now you have the full length of the bed without having to remove the cover at all. Now easily to just close it, loosen up the knob, take the rod out, let's go tighten it up, and let's close it. So as I close it, you should be able to hear a click noise. This will automatically lock it. Now one thing I would like to note is for the tailgate, you do not need to have it open to be able to close the cover. You can leave the tailgate open. And click. Look at that. Flush. It's very durable, and it also protects everything that's inside it from cold weather. Now if you wanted to install one of these yourselves, it takes about say about a little over an hour and a half. Now I will do a video about my bed liner. Please comment below and let me know what else you want to see. Thank you.